Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I know there's a lot going on with my face right now. It's a lot more bronzed than normal. Well, I definitely used bronzer. It's because I was trying out a new tinted moisturizer. You might have noticed it yesterday in yesterday's video, the ColourPop Pretty Fresh Tinted Moisturizer. And I realized today that the reason why it looks so off when I was like out and about, was like doing stuff in the real world, is because I think I got way too light of a color. So I'm gonna have to go back to Ulta sometime within like today or tomorrow to get that replaced. Because I put it on today and I was looking in the mirror and I was like, you look sick, you don't look healthy, like you need some. It wasn't right. And it was much lighter than my neck. And I was like, ooh, oops. So yeah. So you just have to bear with me today with the bronzed face, but whatever, it happens. All right, guys, so today we're gonna be talking about my IPSY bag for the month of February. And I'm already obsessed with this bag. It's so soft, I love it. I wish you guys could reach through your screens and touch it because it's seriously so soft. Like I want to use it as a pillow. It's nice. But let's dig in. So first I'm gonna read the little brochure thingy. This month for February 2020, it's Feel the Love. That warm fuzzy feeling you get from being in love. Feel it every day in the littlest of things. From pampering your skin with a multi-step routine, savoring your morning coffee, every moment is an opportunity to show yourself how much you love you. Treat yourself. All right, your 5 picked for you glam bag products are here to make you swoon. Prepare to crush hard. I don't know why I read that so weird, you guys. Sorry, I'm like in and out of it today. Oh yes, I got some good stuff. So I did open my bag because I got it yesterday, and you know I have no self-control, which is really weird. I was thinking about this the other day. I'm a Capricorn. We're like known for control and like being responsible and stuff like that. So I'm just like, how is it that I, a Capricorn, have zero self-control? It's really weird and annoying and I hate it, but it is what it is. So welcome back to this. So let the unbagging begin. The first thing I picked is an empty box because I took the perfume out already. This is by Catherine Malandrino and it's the Dream scent. I like it. It's a nice sweet scent. My mom said it was too sweet for her, but I think it's great. So it says, this irresistible scent from runway royalty Catherine Malandrino reminds us of fresh, airy spring days to come. It opens with crisp top and middle notes of apple, nectarine, magnolia, and lavender, and finishes with cozy ambre, musk, and vanilla that linger on your skin for hours. Tip, spray this on the nape of your neck. Every time you flip your hair, you'll get a whiff of the scent. All right, so I did. Oh, well, I took a shower today, though. So, because last night I sprayed it on my wrist to test it out, and I do have to say I really liked it. So maybe I'll spray some on right now. Show you guys how, this is actually like the biggest sample of perfume I've ever gotten from IPSY. And it does say it's a deluxe sample. I've noticed like bags are kind of moving from normal samples to deluxe samples. So we'll see. So I'll try the nape of my neck. I don't know what the nape of my neck is. I'm assuming like here. Oh, that was my hair. Oh, well, I can guarantee you that was too much perfume right there, but it is what it is now. Sorry, dogs. They're both just sitting there looking at me like, what did you just spray? But it smells good. Hashtag no regrets. All right, next thing I'm going in, there's a bunch of things. with this four other things. So I'm grabbing the Cella Hello Beautiful eyeshadow palette. So the Cella La Vie Mini Quad eyeshadow. It's finally here, an eyeshadow palette you'll want to wear every single day. All four matte and shimmery shades are highly buildable, blendable, and deliver serious color payoff. Plus, the mattes are water resistant, so you can create endless eye looks that last for hours too. The tip for this is dab a shimmery shade onto the center of lids over matte and on inner eye corners for dimension. All right. And this is also another deluxe sample. I'll go ahead and I'll just swatch these real quick. So this is the first one. Ooh, that's a nice shimmery. Now we're gonna go in with this color and lighter tan. Okay, that's not a bad color. I'm gonna do the darker brown. And this last little shimmer. Ooh, I like that one too. Okay. All right. So yeah, I'm excited to try these out. And the matte ones are supposed to be waterproof, so that's interesting. The next item is going to be the Tarte, it's called the Sex Kitten eyeliner, but I can't demo this because it came opened. And I'll have to show you after I take everything out of the barrel. I completely forgot to do that. But it was opened and it had leaked over the bag and it was all dried out, but I put the cap on it and I just put it back in the bag just to kind of be like, hey you guys, I got this, but unfortunately I'm not able to test it out right now. I did email IPSY about it and they were great. They're gonna send me a new one to try out, but now I feel kind of bad because this one looks like it might actually work. But it doesn't look like it's very pigmented. So I don't know if it just needs to sit for a few more days, like maybe it needs to sit for a little bit longer, or if I should just wait until I get the new one. And then what this says about the Tarte liquid liner is date night, girls night. This baby creates liner looks for every occasion. This fast drying formula is smear proof, budge proof, and everything else proof for up to 12 hours. The soft flex felt tip gives you a ton of control, making it easy to draw crisp lines and dramatic flicks. Plus it's vegan and cruelty free. Tip, store your felt liners upside down to help keep them from drying out. One thing I do really like about this eyeliner that I think is super cute is it has a little kitty, a little kitten. At the tip of it, and it's super cute. I love it. I love it. All right, I'm gonna grab this box. This I'm actually super excited for. It's a nice, cute little pink, like pale pink nail polish. So I'm very excited to try this. I've already tried another Pretty Woman nail polish. They sent me like this cute pink color. It was like a darker magenta pink. I had no issues with it, so I'm super excited to try this one out too. I bet you I could create a cute Valentine's Day look with both pinks. We'll have to try that out. And the last item in my bag today is the Boombastic Lash Volumizer Mascara. So it says, we love the look of false lashes, but applying them daily can be a hassle. This lengthening, thickening, and volumizing mascara, on the other hand, it instantly boosts your lashes with minimal effort. Plus, the creamy carbon black formula won't clump, flake, or make your lashes feel brittle. Tip, apply 2 coats to upper lashes from root to tip. Turn the wand vertically for your lower lash line. I already knew that tip. All right, so I think we're gonna go ahead and hit pause on this, and now we're gonna go ahead and switch over to do the try-on portion. So I've already explained to you guys, I've done my face. I used the ColourPop Tinted Moisturizer and their concealer. It was great. I definitely feel like I'm not wearing any makeup, but like I said, I got too light of a color. Felt like I had to compensate with bronzer. May have done a smidge too much. And this is the end result. It is what it is. I've seen worse, I've definitely seen better. I'm just probably gonna leave it at this point because whatever. So this is how my face looks. I'm not redoing it. I'm just gonna jump in and do the eyeliner, or not the eyeliner, the eyeshadow and eyeliner and mascara. I've already tested out the perfume for you. I sprayed it on myself. There's not really much else I can do. So let's just jump in. So we're just gonna use the eyeshadow. I'm gonna put on eyeliner. I obviously can't use the eyeliner I got today. And then I'm also just gonna use the mascara. I did put a little of mascara on already, but we'll just try it out. Why not? I didn't put any on my bottom lashes, so it'll work. I'm not gonna use any primer just because it's saying like, I'm under the impression it doesn't need it. So we're gonna try it without today, but don't worry, it feels wrong to me too. So I'm just gonna take my crease brush, and I think I'm gonna go in with this color right here. It's a little bit of a kickback, but I feel like that's to be expected with matte colors. Alright, hey guys, so I actually just went ahead and I did my eyeshadow off camera, but I'll go ahead and explain what I did. So at first, in my crease, I went in with this color. I did kind of start off with that. And then I also kind of topped it off with the darker brown too. Also in the crease, still using my crease brush. Using my crease brush and also both of my blending brushes because I don't know what I'm doing. And then I went in and applied with my finger this gold color right here, and up close you can see a little bit better. And then I just took this end of this brush to kind of blend it out. I don't know if that made any sense, but that's what I did. And the more I'm looking at this though, the more I'm like, does she need eyeliner? I feel like eyeliner is just gonna be too much. Yeah, we're gonna do eyeliner, hold on. All right, so we are gonna do eyeliner. It's funny because they do have a trial size of the Kat Von D tattoo eyeliner. That's what it's called, right? Yeah, tattoo liner. So we're just gonna put that on real quick. All right, I got my eyeliner on. Nothing too exciting there. Now I'm just gonna go in with the Boombastic Lash Volumizer Mascara. And we're gonna see, oh my gosh, this is such a cool, I don't know, I can't even think about it, talk about it. Bleh. But I do like this little wand. It'll definitely make it easier to put on the bottom lashes. One thing I do notice, and I know you can kind of see, is look at how clumpy it is in the top part. So that worries me. Why does this always happen? Why? So I can definitely say that this mascara is not one you want to use as like a top coat per se on a different mascara, because it's just got super clumpy and not the best first impression, but I'm also gonna keep in mind, like I said, it's probably gonna work a lot better when I'm not already wearing mascara. I mean, I know what you guys are thinking. Who puts on mascara when they're already wearing mascara? One, I do. Two, sometimes you get a mascara and you're so excited and you gotta try it out. You just gotta. That was one of these moments, okay? Stop looking at me. So my overall rating, or review, whatever. My overall thoughts on this bag are, I like it. It's definitely stuff that I could see myself using on a daily basis. Granted, I haven't tried the eyeliner yet. I think it's a great bag. It's got a lot of stuff in it that I could see me using every day. I really love the eyeshadow palette. I think it came at a great time because I've been wanting to get a new eyeshadow palette that was all new colors, so this really works. I think it's a great bag. Love it. I love how soft the bag is. Love the products in it. I'm super excited to try the eyeliner once they reship it to me. Seems like this one might work, but we'll see when we try it. Hey guys, thanks for watching my channel today. Thanks for unboxing my IPSY bag with me. It was a lot of fun. I can't wait to see what next month has in store. Also, there's a little surprise. Earlier this week, I ordered another IPSY bag. It's one of their Valentine's Day ones, so I'm super excited for that. Although I realized after I ordered it, there's no way it's gonna get here by Friday, so I don't understand the point of it, but I'm excited. It's just like a mystery bag where it's got 5, I'm assuming full-size items. I'm hoping that, so we'll see. I also wouldn't be surprised if it is just like deluxe samples. I'm gonna not be bummed if it is because it was only like 14. It's like 15 bucks after tax and everything, so not too bad. So thanks for watching my video. If you're new to my channel, please hit subscribe. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and I'll see you next time. Also, this will probably be my last video before Valentine's Day, so I hope you guys have a great Valentine's Day 2020. See you next time. Benny's gonna be doing the rest of this video. Take it away, Benny. Take it away. I just dropped something. Okay. And their tip for this is dab a... But one thing I do love about this eyeshadow, or the eyeliner, excuse me, I'm not gonna use, hold on, I gotta start over real quick. Say, Benny, stop looking at my hands. But, God. Why? Bless you. Bless you. Okay. Thanks for tuning into my channel today, guys. I really enjoyed unboxing. Okay, that's not gonna work. Oh gosh, okay. Bloopers.